Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 Flex Limited in Oxford White. It has a black roof and it has gray leather interior, seating for 7. This has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's an all-wheel drive, and it also has a multi-panel Vista roof, as well as a backup camera and backup sensors. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Engine speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 2 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and your power pedals are here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push our engine start stop button. You're going to see 2 menus appear on the dash, as well as your odometer reading and any important messages. We'll start with the left hand side. You can toggle through display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy. Let's get out of there. Driver assist and settings, and you'll notice that they have sub-menus. On the right hand side you have entertainment, navigation, phone, and you notice they change color. In the center we have our display screen, and you're seeing your navigation screen there. You're also seeing heated seats for both driver and passenger. We can also touch on audio, so this is a touch screen. We can make changes here and touch for the different sources we want: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your climate, so you'll see it appear with a dual climate control for driver and passenger, and there's your heated seat controls again. And then when we put our vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And we can also go into settings and slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so forth. There's your hazard lights, and there's the CD player, and then your source, your tuner, I should say. Down below is your dual climate control as well. You have front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. And then you have a 12 volt off to the side here. There you go. An automatic shifter, a couple of cup holders, and you also have a little bin in front of your armrest. You can open it up, and inside is a couple of USB outlets, as well as 12 volt plus place to put things. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is your auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this has multi-panel moonroofs, so we can tilt and slide. I'm just gonna put there for your moonroof, and then we can slide it forward. And I'm playing with the buttons here because there we go. And then off to the side on the passenger side, you have a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, intelligent access on the chrome handle, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. In the back there's a windshield wiper, your backup camera's just above the handle, and your backup sensors are on the bumper. You also have dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up the liftgate, you can do so from inside, but you can also do it by double clicking your fob. And inside right now I've got one of the seats up and the other one down in the 3rd row, and it's got on the back of the seat the instructions on how to bring it up and down very easily. You also have a bin and a 12 volt. There's also clips to be able to tether things, and you have the button on the left hand side here to bring the liftgate down. You can hear it chiming, and that lets you know it's going down securely. And then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in this row with a 60-40 split, and you can very easily bring the seat down using the lever, but there's also the button that will fold it here, pushing it there, and it'll pop it right out of the way for you. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back, and they're a 50-50 split. And then to bring the seat back down, simply give it a push and then flip it back up into the upright position. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's all weather mats on the floor for easy cleanup, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center you have your climate control, 110 outlet, as well as 12 volt, and you also have this little bin here that you can pull out, and it's got a space to put things, as well as a couple of cup holders. Up above, hooks and handles, as well as the different views in the roof there for the Vista view of the moonroofs, and in the front you actually have a manual screen that can go across as well, and back here you have these screens that just slide and clip across if you don't want as much light. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.